Alright, so how can you make a regular income from Shopify from India? First of all, you want to understand what is Shopify. Shopify is a content management system like WordPress, or in simple terms, it is an application, it is a web app which helps you build e-commerce stores. That's what Shopify does. And the way they do it is so beautiful that using the app, you can build your website without any coding experience required. They have automatic connections with payment processors. They have tons of apps that you can use to grow your sales and get customers back and make your site look better, etc., etc. It's actually the best platform to build your e-commerce store, especially if you're just starting out. Now let's just talk about how the overall e-commerce business works. So in e-commerce, the very first thing that you need is a product to sell. 2, you need a website wherein you're going to be using Shopify to build it. And 3, you need traffic. By traffic, I mean customers. So that's pretty much how the entire e-commerce business model works. Now, let's talk about the products. Now, because I'm talking to you about building international e-commerce businesses, there are different kinds of products that you can be selling. One, you can either sell products from China. So you can drop ship products from China to US, wherein your supplier is going to be shipping the product from China to your customers directly. Or you can find automated suppliers in countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, wherein the quality is going to be a lot better and the delivery time is going to reduce from 30 to 7 days on average, because from China it usually takes a lot longer, and from within US, of course, the time is going to be a lot lower and the quality is going to be improved, which means you get better, happier and long-term customers. And if you want to be working with automated fulfillment partners and suppliers, then I would recommend you to go with the business model called print on demand. Now, print on demand is a business model wherein, let's say, you get a design made, place it on a plain t-shirt using Photoshop or whatever app you use, upload it on your site, send traffic to your store, and when you get a sale, your fulfillment partner will print that design on the t-shirt ordered by the customer and ship it to them directly. Like that's a basic introduction of how print on demand works. Now let's talk about traffic. To send traffic, by far the most scalable and the most targeted ways that I would recommend you is using Facebook advertising. So using Facebook ads, you can show your ads, you can show your products in a very simple way to the exact same audience that you want to target, based on age, gender, demographics, their passions, interests, behaviors. You can target that using Facebook advertising. And then it's just a game of getting traffic, getting sales, of course, dealing with customers and rinsing and repeating. Am I saying it's easy? No, but it is simple, and it has a simple system that once followed, you can definitely make it work. And I'm saying this after helping over 12,000 people start, grow and scale their e-commerce businesses in the last 1.5 years through my company called Digital Dukandar. Now, Digital Dukandar is an e-commerce coaching company. We help people in India build international e-commerce businesses from scratch. And if you are in this video right now, I'm certain about the fact that you want to be building your e-commerce business, right? So I have something really special for you. There is something that I call the 5-day e-com freedom challenge, which helps you start your e-commerce business and go live with your e-commerce business in 5 days or less. In the 5-day e-com freedom challenge, in 5 days we teach you, 1, how we introduce you to e-commerce, drop shipping, print on demand, and how to have the right mindset. 2, we teach you how to build a Shopify store in 30 minutes or less without any coding experience required. 3, we teach you how to find winning designs and products that you can sell on your store. 4, we teach you about Facebook ads. And 5, we teach you how to connect your store to automated fulfillment partners in US, suppliers, so that when you get orders, your supplier, your vendor automatically prints the products and ships it for you. All of this in 5 days for just 499 rupees. We would love to have you as a part of the next batch. You simply want to go to joinefc.in and become a part of the next batch of the e-com freedom challenge. I'm sure you're going to love it. I'm going to add the link on the screen, and I'm also going to add the link in the in the video description. So go ahead and become a part of the next batch. Looking forward to working with you.